work with an insurance agent who specializes in trucking.
Guy who goes out and writes homeowners on one day and trucking on the next probably isn't a truck specialist.
Right.
Right.
Right? I would know nothing about a homeowner's policy. That's not my thing.
So
all we do at this agency is trucking. So the first thing you want to do is to establish, here's what's going to happen. Let's take Jeff for an example. He'd be a prime example. Jeff calls me up and says, hey, I want to go in business. Okay, how long you been in business? And then he can say, 20 years. Oh, great. So you got experience? No.
Right.
Next thing I'll ask him, do you have a business plan? No. So you're a new entity, but you got 30 years experience. That's good. It'll help you save on your rate. When these truck drivers go out and become an owner or operator, they should have a business plan. Motor carriers should ask to see that business plan. When they finance your truck, they should ask you, what is your business plan? It should be on file.
Right.
Right? When you go on and sign on with a motor carrier, do they ever ask you for a business plan?
Nope.
No.
None that I've seen.
Why? Because they're making your business plan.
Right.
When they make your business plan, who's in control?
They are.
The motor carrier.
Yeah.
You are just a participant. You go in, it's a $0 down. You have no invested interest in it. If you go to the bank and take that same attitude, what are they going to do to you?
Right.
They're not going to loan you money. You have to have a business plan.
They might actually snicker at you.
Right.
Well, hopefully not, right? But they might. So we want to get a business plan put together. So when you sit down, you say, I've been an owner operator. I've been responsible for everything. And somebody could ask you, pretty typically, they would say, well, do you book your own freight? No, I've made a business decision that the cost of that transaction can be provided to me by the motor carrier for less than I can do it. Therefore, I've laid that risk off. That's a much different statement than the motor carrier saying, I'll take care of all that for you.
Right. It's the concept of consciously making the decision for your business versus being told how you're going to run your business.